Still manually copying TripAdvisor reviews for research? It's slow, tedious, and bot detection will eventually block you. Use the TripAdvisor Reviews Scraper on Apify to scale your data. Log in and open the actor. Paste your URL and click Add to scrape several places at once. Optionally, set your dates and ratings and hit Start. Once the actor succeeded message appears, see the reviews at the output and click Export. Select your format and download. You can see detailed place info right here. For automation, use n8n. Add the Apify node. Paste your API token and select the actor. Copy the JSON from your actor input, paste it here, and press Execute Workflow. Click the node to see your reviews, ready for your AI agents. Run this actor on Apify today. Link below.